I have been having a terrible headache for 3 days. And it hurts when I move my eyes.
Oh, that sounds awful. Have you ever had to visit a doctor in an English-speaking country and had no idea what to say? Do not panic. Today I am going to give you every phrase you need to get the help you deserve. Let us go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am Emma, and today we are going to the doctor's office. Now, visiting a doctor in a new language can feel really scary. But here is the good news. Doctors and nurses in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia see international patients all the time. They are used to it. And with the right phrases, you will be able to explain your symptoms clearly and ask the questions you need. Today, you will get 5 essential phrases, from calling to make an appointment, all the way to asking about your prescription at the end. Ready? Let us check out our key phrases for today. Okay, here are your 5 key phrases. Repeat after me. Phrase 1. I would like to make an appointment. This is how you call the clinic to book a time to see the doctor. Very polite. Very clear. I would like to make an appointment. Say it with me. Phrase 2. I have been having a symptom for a length of time. This phrase tells the doctor how long you have been feeling bad. It is so important. I have been having a headache for 3 days. I have been having a sore throat for a week. The structure is, I have been having, 4. Use this every time. Phrase 3. It hurts when I do something. Use this to describe exactly when the pain happens. It hurts when I swallow. It hurts when I walk. It hurts when I move my eyes. This gives the doctor very specific, useful information. Phrase 4. Do I need a prescription for this? A prescription is a paper from the doctor that lets you get special medicine from the pharmacy. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, some medicines need a prescription and some do not, so always ask. Do I need a prescription for this? Phrase 5. What should I do if it gets worse? After you get your medicine, always ask this. You need to know when to go back. What should I do if it gets worse? Great! 5 phrases. Now let us see them in action. Alright. Hannah is not feeling well, and she needs to see a doctor. Watch how she calls the clinic.
Good morning, City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. Are you a new patient?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and what seems to be the problem?
I have been having a really bad headache for 3 days, and it hurts when I move my eyes.
I see. Can we schedule you for this afternoon at 2:30?
Yes, that works perfectly. Thank you.
Great. We will see you then. Take care.
Wonderful. Did you catch those 2 key phrases? I would like to make an appointment, and I have been having a headache for 3 days, and it hurts when I move my eyes. Hannah used them so naturally and got her appointment, just like that. Amazing. Let us slow down and look at what Hannah said. First, I would like to make an appointment. I would like to is the polite way to say I want to. It sounds much more natural and friendly on the phone. Never say I want appointment. Always say I would like to make an appointment. Second, I have been having a bad headache for 3 days. Let us break this down. I have been having. This is present perfect continuous. Do not worry about the grammar name. Just remember, use this when a problem started in the past and is still happening now. I have been having a headache for 3 days. It started 3 days ago and is still hurting right now. Doctors hear this every day. And it hurts when I move my eyes. This gives the doctor very specific information. The doctor can immediately understand this is not a normal headache. Details really matter at the doctor's office. Now Hannah is at the clinic. Let us watch her talk to the doctor.
Good afternoon. So, what brings you in today?
I have been having a really bad headache for 3 days. It hurts when I move my eyes, and I have been feeling dizzy too.
I see. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
I would say about a 7.
Any fever or nausea?
No fever, but I do feel a little nauseous sometimes.
And have you taken any medicine for it?
Just some over-the-counter painkillers, but they have not really helped.
Okay, let me take a look.
Great job, Hannah. Did you notice how much helpful information she gave? The headache, the eye pain, the dizziness, the nausea. She answered every question calmly and clearly. The more specific you are, the better the doctor can help you. You can absolutely do this too. Let us look at 2 important things from that scene. What brings you in today? This is the standard question doctors ask instead of, "What is wrong with you?" It is polite and very natural. Your answer? Use our phrase. I have been having. Now. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? Doctors in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia ask this all the time. 1 is almost no pain. 10 is the worst pain imaginable. Be honest. This helps the doctor decide what treatment you need. Also notice. I have been feeling dizzy too. Hannah added a second symptom using the same structure. This is so useful. I have been feeling tired. I have been feeling sick. You can describe almost any symptom with, I have been feeling. The doctor has finished his examination. Let us see what he says, and watch how Hannah asks the right questions.
Okay, Hannah. It looks like you have a tension headache, probably from stress or too much screen time. I am going to give you a prescription for a stronger pain reliever.
I see. Do I need a prescription for this, or can I just get it at any pharmacy?
You will need the prescription for this one. It is stronger than the over-the-counter options. Just take this to any pharmacy and they will fill it for you.
Got it. And what should I do if it gets worse?
If the pain gets more severe, or if you develop a fever or notice any changes in your vision, please come back immediately, or go to the nearest emergency room.
Thank you so much. That is really helpful.
You are welcome. Get plenty of rest, drink lots of water, and try to reduce your screen time. You should feel much better in a day or 2.
Excellent. Hannah used 2 of our key phrases right there. Do I need a prescription for this? And, what should I do if it gets worse? And she got all the information she needed. Asking the right questions makes such a big difference. That last scene was so good. Hannah stayed calm, used her phrases, and walked out with everything she needed. Let us review one of the most important phrases from today. I have been having a headache for 3 days. Notice the word, for. We use for when we talk about a length of time. 3 days, 2 weeks, 1 hour. But what about since? We use since for a point in time. Since Monday, since yesterday, since this morning. So. I have been having a headache for 3 days. Correct. I have been having a headache since Monday. Also correct. This is a very common mistake, so let us check if you have got it. Quiz time. Complete the sentence correctly. I have been having a sore throat, 5 days. A. Since. B. For. C. During. Write A, B, or C in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases for visiting the doctor in English, from making the appointment on the phone, describing your symptoms clearly, all the way to asking the right follow-up questions like a total pro. Remember, even if you feel nervous, just use these phrases one at a time. Doctors in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are trained to help people from all over the world. With these phrases, you can communicate clearly and get the care you need. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are going to the bank. Wait till you hear the one phrase Hannah uses when something goes wrong with her card. It is the sentence that could save you so much stress when you are traveling or living abroad. You do not want to miss this one. See you next time. Bye-bye.